I was sitting in my house, relaxing. My doorbell rang. 20 years ago, your doorbell rang? That was a happy moment in your house. Put the lights on, somebody's here. Nobody looked to see who it was. Right? You just opened up the door. You were like, oh my God, look at that. What are you doing here? And the person would be like, I was in the neighborhood. Now your doorbell rings? Like, what the f? Right? Your own mother's crawling across the kitchen floor. Get down, my army crawl. Army crawl, get in the closet. Go get the sword in the living room. Somebody get the sword underneath the couch in the living room. There's a sword.